Dress comfortably, the right size, not too small, not too large. Which clothes are you gonna wear in your presentation? Hello, my friend. Which clothes should I wear for my presentation, for my speech? Wear something a bit more elegant than your audience to connect with them and to show respect, to build authority. If your presentation, your speech is being filmed, avoid white, avoid black, avoid striped plaid shirts, because these patterns can be affected on the image. If you were wearing a headset, avoid bracelets that make noise, avoid rings that make noise. Men, avoid beard that generate this noise. Wear something comfortable, something that fits well in you, not something too large. Before going to the stage, see if your clothes are well ironed. If your presentation is at the end of the day, leave your clothes on a hanger. Iron them before your presentation. Wrinkled clothes bring a bad message to your listeners, to your audience. Dale Carnegie says, "How are you affected by clothes?" An inquiry was sent to a large group of people by a psychologist and university president, asking them the impression clothes made on them. Almost unanimously, they testified that when they were well-groomed and faultlessly and immaculately attired, the knowledge of it, the feeling of it, had a very real effect. It gave them more confidence, brought them increased faith in themselves, heightened their self-respect. They declared that when they had the look of success, they found it easier to think success, to achieve success. Such is the effect of clothes on the wearers themselves. But what effect do they have on an audience? I have noticed time and again that if a speaker is sloppily dressed, has made little effort to be properly groomed, an audience has little respect for that person. Aren't they very likely to assume that his or her mind is as sloppy as the unkempt hair and slipshod attire? Dress comfortably, the right size, not too small, not too large. Which clothes are you gonna wear in your presentation? I want to know about it. Comment here. Thank you very much. I am Felipe Gibi. See you next class. How to control my fear. How to control my nerves.